Your life has many modes. So should your technology. You no longer just work in your office, which is why Lenovo has designed a product to work wherever your work may take you. Let me introduce you to a first-of-its-kind business convertible from the makers of the legendary ThinkPad, the Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga. Combining the comfort and styling of a premium laptop with the proven reliability of Lenovo ThinkPad, this device folds back 360 degrees. It switches between laptop mode, stand mode, tent mode, and tablet mode, allowing you to work in the most comfortable ways possible. As a business convertible that can frequently change modes and endure the rigors of everyday use, the ThinkPad Yoga has been built with remarkable attention to every engineering detail. A multi-mode device must go through numerous open and close movements. To withstand such wear and tear, the hinges of the ThinkPad Yoga are made of a special zinc alloy and rigorously tested to make them extremely reliable. The challenge of working outside the office is that your device is frequently susceptible to knocks, bumps and scratches, which is why the clamshell body of the ThinkPad Yoga is made of a strong yet light magnesium alloy. The hardened Corning Gorilla Glass is perfect to withstand relentless handling when the device is in the tablet mode. But when it comes to handling, perhaps the most impressive engineering innovation in the ThinkPad Yoga is the lift and lock keyboard. It makes sure the keyboard is tucked away when the ThinkPad Yoga is flipped inside out, so you don't accidentally press the keys when using the device. More importantly, as the keyboard retracts, rubber bumpers rise up to protect your device from damage when placed on hard surfaces. The Lenovo ThinkPad's enhanced sensors detect hand contact. It gets activated only in the case of an accidental drop, when your hand is no longer in contact with the PC. The innovative active protection system safeguards your critical data. All these unique features are not at the expense of performance. Inside the Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga lies the 4th generation Intel Core i7 processor. It's 15% more powerful than the previous generation. The ThinkPad Yoga also features an integrated pen and digitizer. It works as accurately as your fingers, instantly converting your handwritten notes to text. Design, form, and function combined create a multi-mode ultrabook that's built for business on the move. This is the Lenovo ThinkPad Yoga.